Ever feel like you are just guessing where your business money really goes? You're definitely not the only one. And the good news is, it's simpler than you might think. If you are a small business owner who breaks into cold sweat every time someone mentions bookkeeping, this video will change everything. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how to set up a simple bookkeeping system, even if you are a complete beginner. Look, I get it. You started your business to follow your passion, not to become an accountant. But here's the brutal truth. Most small businesses fail due to cash flow problems, and most of those could have been prevented with basic bookkeeping. The good news, you don't need a degree in accounting to keep your finances organized. I'm going to walk you through a proven bookkeeping system that takes less than 30 minutes per week to maintain. By the end of this video, you will have a complete template that tracks your income, expenses, and gives you the exact financial picture you need to make smart business decisions. Plus, you will get my free template that has already helped small business owners take control of their finances. But before we dive in, let me know in the comments what is your biggest bookkeeping challenge right now? Is it tracking expenses, understanding cash flow, or something else? I read your comments and create follow up videos based on your questions. And if you want more money saving tips like this, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get started. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the daily recording of your business's financial transactions, such as sales, expenses, payments, and receipts, so you always know where your money is going. Think of bookkeeping as your business GPS. Without it, you are driving blind. With it, you see exactly where you have been and where you are going. I have worked with small business owners, and the pattern is always the same. Those who track daily makes better decisions, avoid cash flow disasters, and sleep better. It's not about complex spreadsheets or expensive softwares. A simple system updated weekly beats perfect records done once a year. Why bookkeeping matters. Helps track profit and cash flow. Revenue isn't profit. I have seen businesses with $50,000 monthly sales make zero cash flow. Proper tracking shows you which products actually make money and where cash quickly disappears. Keeps you prepared for tax season, avoiding last minute stress. When you track monthly, tax season becomes routine, not stressful. Makes it easier to get loans or investors. Banks want to see consistent records, not guesswork. With proper books, you can produce profit and loss statement instantly. Get loan approval in days instead of months. Gives insights to reduce unnecessary expenses. One client discovered small subscription charges were costing thousands yearly. Another cafe owner cut significant wastage costs. Small leaks sink big ships. Builds confidence in your business decisions. Should you hire, expand, give discounts? Your books give real answers, not just gut feelings. Smart business owners let numbers guide decisions. Steps to start bookkeeping. Track every transaction. Record everything daily or weekly. Even tea expenses matter. I'll share my income and expense tracker that handles everything automatically. Step 2. Separate business and personal expenses. Biggest mistake I see, mixing personal and business expenses. Even sole proprietors need to separate accounts. Clean separation is equals to easy tax deduction. Step 3. Smart categorization. Don't dump everything in one column. Our tracker auto categorizes rent, software, marketing, travel, and other expenses. You instantly see your biggest costs and rising trends. Step 4. Monthly bank reconciliation. Match your records with bank statement monthly. Small mistakes become big problems. Step 5. Digital receipts and bills storage. Scan everything. Organize by month. When tax season arrives, everything is ready. No hunting for lost receipts at year end. Step 6. Monthly review. Don't just track, analyze. Monthly profit and loss reviews Catch problems early. Early actions prevent disasters. I have given the link in the description to download free income and expense tracker for small business owners. When you click on the link, you will be on this page, and from here you need to put an amount. Let's say I put 0. Then I want this. From here you need to put your email ID and here put the amount as 0. Then you will get it in your mail ID and you will receive the mail. From here click view content, then enter your email ID and confirm email. Then you will be on this page. From here, download. Once you download, you will receive this sheet. I have given all the instructions here. Just make it enable editing. And then this is transaction sheet. Let's say on 5th June, you run Facebook ad and it is an expense and the category is advertisement. You select from the drop down. There are other expenses as well. Similarly, on 6th June, client paid for the sale and it is an income. And from here, you select as sales. Similarly, you put other expenses or incomes. After this, you can go to income and expense sheet. Once you're on this sheet, you can see automatically it has taken the total of expense from the transaction sheet and you can find total it is calculated automatically. Once you are done with all the incomes and expenses, you can find the totals here. For example, for advertisement, you can see it is $500. Now let's see from transaction. There is only one advertisement and it is $500. So you can see it here. And meals and entertainment, it is $150. It is similarly from here $150. Whatever expenses or incomes you put here, it will be reflected on this sheet. But here's the thing, even with the best template, many business owners still struggle. If you'd rather focus on growing your business while someone else handle your books professionally, we offer bookkeeping services. The template is free regardless. Link in description. Whether you use the template or hire professional help, the key is starting now. Good bookkeeping, it's about consistency. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest bookkeeping challenge? I'll create videos answering your questions. Subscribe for more bookkeeping tips. Your business finances don't have to be stressful. Thanks for watching.